Hello everybody and welcome back to Summon Night Sword Cup Story. So I don't know what happened next. I forgot, but and I'm playing this old game. I don't know why, but hey, I am very happy for it. But goes on. Okay. Oh, tolerability, and then this. Without further ado, guys, let's continue the game. The walkthrough. Gladius. Spark. Oh. Okay, let's get some new materials for now. But I'm a sword focus player, so okay. Okay, let's get some new materials first. In the deeper bowels of the dungeon. Okay. Let's go for now. Portable canteen. Oh. I think. Okay, make it nice. Nice. Okay, nice. Mystic Core. Mystic Core. but okay. Bandage, amulet. Okay, we will destroy. Okay, we need to equip ourselves. What was this? Ayaw. Attack space 17. This one. Defense 10. Agility. Okay. I'm doing agility before. So I can damage a little bit. Ow, 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 ow. Kill. Game, but I don't need more. Nice. Thank you very much. Ow. More the horse on the short one. Ow, apa dulu loh. Ow! Oh my god. Dean! Come here. Dean! Come here. Quiet. People are asleep now. Quiet. Justine! Quiet. Sorry about that. Squeaking my doom. Oh, oh. We need to go back. Okay, we need natin na Mystic Wars. first. Justin! Justin! Quiet. Let's go to the port. I leveled up. Leveled up. Oh. Justin! Yeah, sorry about that. I'm spotting my dog because she's so busy. So my dog. Hello there, are you ready to go? Okay, let's go. Alright then, but let me explain our quest before we go. Okay, our destination is Fort Miriam. Over at the bit. No. Okay, I don't know. I'm a little embarrassed. Excuse me. It's okay. Anyway, the origin of Mirana can be traced back to 100 years, and I don't think I need to know the complete history of the place. I see. Philip's disappointed. Mirana was conquered by the Daigleans in order to keep control of the area. They established military outpost. This outpost is known as Fort Mirana. Now we're heading to Mirana. That's right. I've received some information that the Gold Guild sell weapons to Daiglean. I would like to investigate this further and determine the guild's involvement. That's why we're going. But how does this relate to avenging Oryxa? You'll see later on. Now, you must be off. Young master, wait please. Hi Barrel, thanks for everything. The other day. Hey Sakura, I'm coming with you. If this is a problem, was caused by something the Gold Guild did, then the blame falls on me. Okay, you may come. What? Are you sure it's okay? Mr. Nigel, I would like you to Barrel's father, Libody, his son will be fine with us, so now please excuse us. Okay, let's go together. Wait, Master Sakura. Young Master Barrel. Alright. Fort Miranda. Is this the same kind of ship that Ron has? Yeah, it's rare to find a ship with a workshop inside. Alright, we'll be inside of Miranda's docks very soon. They found us. What's wrong? That's a Daiglean patrol. It's a ship that patrols the waters near the Daiglean border. Usually you don't see those ships on this route, which means there's something unusual going on. And that is it. They're going to do, they found us something. Yes, but unfortunately the port is right over there. It's not too far to swim. No way, you expect us to swim? Yes, so what? What about the footing? You are already floating. You are already floating in the air. That's what you say. Don't tell me you don't know how to swim. My weapons will... Wait a minute. My weapon will rust if I swim with them. You can swim? Yes, I can, but there's no problem. Your weapons and tools will be alright if you take care of them later on. Or are they going to get rusty? Just a little water. Are you forging substandard weapons? There are resources like this. I understand that you can swim. Thanks, can I count on you to try to reach the fort while I lure away the patrol boat, okay? Alright? Are you alright? Yeah, I'm fine. Are you okay, Kuti? Kuti? I don't see the gold kids ship dock here. That means should we ask the person in charge? Hey, Vare. What? Well, don't you think it'd be faster to ask for the person in charge? You're sure? Alright, we'll head up there. Justin, you go ahead. Shut up. Yeah, shut up. I apologize for my little baby. Alright, we'll head up. Why? The person who runs the fort must love high places. And yeah, I am sorry about my dog. I'm scolding her because it's 12 in the morning, I think. Or 1 now. Yep, 1:35 a.m. Okay. Let's check it. Okay, let's check it here first. Or is it the same? Nope. That's the same area. I don't need that. Oh! Striker. Ow! Nice. What? What? Golden what? Oh! Right there. Let's see. Yeah. Alright then. We need to go first. Earlier I have hung out with my friends and I played some, System Shock. I won. They make the expanded version. They didn't. Ow, 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 ow. They didn't. They didn't change much, I guess. I don't know what to say, but they change much there. They didn't change much on the story side, but the story they expanded it. The one they didn't change some story bits on it, but I still like the intimidation of Shodan. They really intimidate the character. The whole shit, like she really experiment all those kinds of people, like making them into something abomination, like a demon. That's the best thing I can describe it, but yeah, I can say that game is pretty good and kinda let's just say a little bit terrifying. It's not a horror game per se, but there's a part of it that is very horror because of the AI concept, rogue AI concept. That's the best thing. Then my feedback on it, my first impressions was they improved the cyberspace. I like it. The original when I was a kid, I don't know what to do on the cyberspace, how to destroy her. But I love the mechanic where you need to destroy all the CCTV cameras, like it's her eyes, and you need to destroy it because of the rogue rogue AI. You need to change it some book, you need to kill her. But in reality, I just can't say like Diego is just a stupid idiot. Like, they need to experiment something stupid. Like, how will the AI do when you turn on, or I turn off her ethical program? Like, bruh, became fucked up, and like, they arrested me on some false pretenses as well. Like, bro, you serious? You need to arrest me for something, just hacking. Oh, well, yeah, that depends on me because of the legal repercussions. There's some you're just hacked because just you want to know secret information or something. Like that. But it's still bad though. Oh. Hey Barry, have you found him yet? Not yet, he must be on the highest floor. Yeah, maybe. By the way, I wonder how Master Sakura is doing. I don't think we have to worry about him. He's a crack lord up, remember? If we're okay here, then there's no way he could be in danger. You're right, I can't imagine that he's in danger now. I think he's reached by the port now. He's reached the port by now. We should go there then. Okay. Mini fun. Okay. Okay. Inversion. Found. We didn't. Okay. Nice. Alright, nice. Alright, sorry for the voice, everyone. I don't because there's some people are shouting outside the house. Yeah, I live outside of the door. In the gate of the house. This is where I sleep. I record now, rest, and relax. But I need to hang out with my friends. They are the only people who are my good friends. Then I think so. I think I need to, you know, I am thinking of how to, you know, have peace in but the RAM shortage like that beyond me because of AI and stuff. I use AI too, I'm guilty of it because of my profile picture that you see. it's only the representation of my characters, and of the people of the Republic, with what kind of soldiers I did, that like, because they live in the west part of the planet Arcadia, that God, God created them because of request of another divine being. Oh, ew. And I can record in PC. Like, am I going to? I was thinking a lot of on raising a fundraiser on it. We talked it earlier, right? Yeah, I know. Yesterday, we talk about it, like how to promote it, like then they just said maybe you can do a fundraiser for it, but I just said to them, I am doubting. Oh, like it will be look like a scam, because of the things I see in YouTube and stuffs. So I am so terrified, I think. Terrified? The best word. I'm terrified, like, what should I do for it? For it to work perfectly. Because of my perfectionist syndrome. By the way, when I mention those things, when I mention perfection syndrome, it's just a fictional one for my shortcomings of being a perfectionist. That's my only short weakness, that is very active. I need this to be perfect, and this, that, like, to be smooth. I'm not trying to be asshole. Okay? I'm not trying to be asshole like that, because I just want it to be proper. That's the best word. What did Kuti learn? Wait, new one. Ooh. Okay. That's the one thing I am terrified, because I don't know how to market it. I know. I have some knowledge of marketing, but in in the deep advanced things, advanced learning of it, I am dumb. Of most things. Oh! about it. Like, I need to do or should I go and make it on PayPal? I only use PayPal when it comes to USDs, but mostly I use peso and yen because of the ask my friend, this is boyfriend to build it, but install Windows 11. Yeah, I can say like confidently that I can say confidently that I am good. I know how to build a PC, but I don't have much experience of it. Of building a PC. My PC was only, my era on building a PC was, in a knowledge sense, was 2010 era, I think. The best I can remember. Was like 14, 12 or 13, 10 years old at the time. Yeah, that's the only thing I'm thinking right now, and I will do a playthrough on Omori unedited, then with the, of course, without the theme, without the outro music I borrow, I ask permission to use. So I hope you, because of the reason I want to make I want to make a Omori series because the best reason I can give was I'm a survivor of the subjects there, not scared of everything. Not like that. So, who are you, Mr. Black Butterfly? Yeah, continuing. That's the only knowledge I have. Then I'm thinking of PC, only AMD mostly. I hope to God that AMD is still affordable because of this, because of the okay, you want me to go there? Okay, behind you. Nice. Yeah, for now that's the update I can give you. but and yeah. Ow, ow. And that happened. Okay. Ow. Oh. Ew. Yeah, that's the update for I can only give because for now. So tune in the tune in the update I will make there on Patreon. I know I don't create some I don't have any money there, but I don't know. I need to complete the okay. Oh, wait. Justin. Wait, my dog is chasing something. Thank you, I'm back. I just scolded my dog. Yeah, and I think last month was there was an incident about her. Like she falls on the hole. Beyond the we live in the second floor, and there was a hole in the sink, under the sink. I don't know what we do about it, but by some miracle she was unharmed. Only when we immediately run outside of the house, then we saw her just standing there. I was like, Lord, like someone, she was not injured anywhere. Like I'm just astonished that no, there is no injury on her, just dirt. And no, wrong. There is some wound in her, but it immediately restored her. It immediately healed. But by some miracle, I was so glad. Like I know for some people I will question me that, still believe in a fate of a divine or person that exists, that like a spirit, something like that. But that's the only thing I cling to, and I'm very grateful of it that she was protected. I'm so glad that there are no bad injuries on her. Then finally now, when we try to make her go up the stairs, she is having a hard time climbing upstairs, the stairs. And my sister was like, Christine, go inside a little bit, a little bit of a bucket. Then she was hesitating at first, so she didn't know what to do. Then later, a minute later, I think, or 5 minutes later, she immediately go in and she she seated like, then my father carried her. She was sitting like a let's say like a princess on a, she was carried like a princess on a elephant or a carriage. Man, that's the best thing in 2025 I will never forget. But I am very thankful that, you know, we are, she's still, you know, protected by someone or something. And you know, some people will never believe it, but Tin, quiet. Oh, yeah. Sorry about that. As you can hear her, yeah, that's her. My baby Justine, little sister of Asol, and she's 13 years old, and she is still very strong doggy. Oh, she's still very strong. Yeah. The Lord on that. Okay. Tin, quiet down. Tin, I know you are mad, but I need you to be scolded. Nothing. Okay. The only story I can and will be, you know, ingrained on my memory, everlasting memory for me. That my baby Justine was my little sister. The youngest one, call her that because she's a family to me, and we sleep beside each other, and I take her baths, but yeah, and she's very cooperative. Sometimes she's not very cooperative when it comes to it. Bath time. She's cooperative when I say right now. Nowadays, she's cooperative for me. Cooperative to me when taking a bath. Some dogs will hate that. Will hate that so much. Okay. Oh. I think we should... Ow. I think we should go there now. Okay. Tin. Quiet down, will ya? Ow. And I ordered online what was it? I ordered wireless earphone for me to use when I am recording or not, because I hate wired earphones. especially it's a Lenovo brand, but the most funniest function I feature they have was AI, automatic AI translator. Like, bruh, do I need those? Okay, so I ordered the regular version. It was kind of almost 500 pesos. But the good thing on it, there is a screen, the percentage of the battery on the dock, and we need to charge it. I need to charge it. Let's go down, I think. Need to go down. Okay, let's go. For now, we've got our stops. Okay. Magic Place. Yes. Thank you very much. And then let's go out. Okay. The reason I want to have a PC because I can record the games I want to play. Then to have many and to record easily a little bit on OBS, then live stream on Dream Studio. That's the only thing I know, so I apologize for that. Okay, let's go out. Bye bye. That's the only thing I know on recording. And on live streaming. OBS was kinda hard for me to understand for now because of my dumb brain. So my monkey brain. Yeah. The only thing I can tell is what is the word for it? Oh no. Later we will do the unaliving purposes. Nice. Just drinking some Yakult with Milo with Yakult. Let's go back. Oh. Very nice. Okay. Oh, there you go. Yep. There is ship. We survived. Oh. Master Sakura isn't here. He must have left already. Let's go back here. Apollo. No. Let's and then see. Later on we will no. We will dismantle all of the materials so we can. That's why I'm playing this. I'm what was the word? I'm not okay. That's why I'm playing that's why I'm playing a little bit of sensor games. I don't know why, but sub-sensor because of the fear of being banned on this channel. But in Patreon I think I can upload some, not adult stuff, the heavy story stuff. But tell me in the comments if I'm going to upload the Omori playthrough on YouTube for free, and I will just download it. Download the video and be on our ways, and people can watch the video for free, but I will just say in advance when I started recording, and I'm going to start recording again on it. Add some backstory on my experiences on in your life. I will not talk about it more now. We will talk about it on when I made a playthrough of it on Omori. But I uploaded part 1 I think for a long time on it. But I need to get ready of myself on it. But the one thing I will never upload here is in YouTube and stream it on Twitch is the Fear and Hunger game. That game has profound impact on me when I play those kinds of games. Like, the game is very simple, objective, like you need to capture someone, then you need to, but in a invisible counter time. Bro, okay, nope, I'm not going there. bought it earlier. Right, earlier. With a friend of mine. That's yesterday. Buddy, what's the matter? Oh, privilege. Shh. I'm sorry, Master Lubert. We haven't caught those three yet. They must still be somewhere in the fort though. I'm sorry, sir, but I think that if you did try, but I think so. They're already in the fort like drop like rats. You can catch them in one fell swoop. That's true. They must be getting tired running from our troops. You can take the credit for their capture. It's my strategy. Oh, Master Luke, that's brilliant. I know. So, what are we doing with these things? I guess we already started moving them inside. Good. Why don't we invite those drones down here? We've been found. What are we going to do? We've got to speak to them eventually. Come on. I know those things. The one with Guardian Beast, she's the daughter of Mr. Hero. The other is the son of the man who could become a character. What did you say? Struck a third cover. That loser didn't have what it takes to be a factor. Instead, that hack chose to hide his shame and obsess over money. And oh, what a coincidence. In his organization, the Gold Guild, sadness but he came to me the other day and he asked if I wanted to buy his works for a serious discount, of course. And did you buy them? Yes, of course I did. Militaries don't harm themselves. The Prince Texas swords and those from your father I can pay off. I also have to thank you as well. Curse you. Hold on there, you'll be fighting my soldiers now. That's cowardly. It was just a strategy. But you are a coward, Hubert. No wonder you are a scumbag camp lord. Now if you'll excuse me. Typical of a JRPG villain. You want let your kids get away, bring it on. I am so happy. This time, oh, you want that? Okay. You suck. He's strong. Retreat. He or she. Of course, I'm strong in puzzles. Lubert is just using his pockets. They get Lubert. We're going to the docks. Yes. This way. They're coming up the stairs. They're coming down the stairs. They're coming down the stairs. This is it. They're coming. What are we going to do? There's no time to deal with them. I'm going to try stomp them here. Why don't you try two try and find a secret passage or something? I know you're good at that. What do you mean? Deal with you. I use this pipe. Then we can probably get down from here. Be okay. Okay, Barrel, I found a way. Yeah? Yes, I go first. Let's go. Hey, wait. We got cookie. Okay, let's go. Catch Uber. Okay, let's save. Ah, I'm so over paranoid. Steps. Oh, practically go. Can handle it from here by myself. Oh, could they scared out that box? What's inside? Well, we meet again. Master Lubert. Then Jesus soldiers they go to manage the this again. I'm not a child, I'll be the next craft lord. Why are you doing this? This is madness. I thought all craft lords were working to are you really planning to unally yourself with the Daedalians. You're too self-hearted, too innocent. The hero Shintetsu's daughter is just asking down as her father. Yes, this is great. A great opportunity to teach you how strong a craft lord can be. Although when the lesson's over, your spirit won't be in this world any longer. Pati, I'll take care of him. No, but he's mine. Father. Okay, and understand that you beat this time. Stupid game, mustache or. Shut up, little boy. Dark Spirit, I summon thee from the nether dimension. Oh my god. Now then, I'm going to punish you one at a time. Shut up, I won't be beaten by an evil old crab like you. Okay. Oh. Don't be an ignorant asshole. Drill, alright. Okay. Cannot beat Craft Lord. job, Patty. It's but you did a lot. No, I don't believe it what happened. I'm a crack lord. Stop making a fool of yourself, Master Lubert. Just who was trying to end his career as a crack lord and join the Daigleans. As to Sakura, you notice it too, didn't you? Because the thing inside there is something growing that you're familiar with. What is it? Master Lubert, why don't you tell them by yourself? Go on. Well, listen closely, little ones. Inside that crate is a small part of the fire spirit, Arista, the holy spirit of the city of Swords. Regleia intends to use Arista's power to fight wars all across the world. They need this piece of flame for research and experimentation to see if Arista can be controlled. And we're just going to give it to them? Yes, I was. That's enough, Rupert. You're going on trial for this in Western. The remaining crop lords will determine your fate. Did you also accuse Orexa for that? You were the ones who goaded Orexa into doing it. Yes, I was. He performed his task very well. He was easily persuaded. After I told him that he could have revenge for his sister's illness. On its Master Orexa. I said on it, Master Orexa. He may have made some wrong choices, but Orexa was still a hero to Mali. That's a profoundly moronic thing to say. A hero, there's no point. You can't make money being heroic for all that danger. What do you get? Fame? You can spend that. You. Nobody. He dishonored my father and Papa's father and Orexa as well. I understand, but still, stay back. Huh? Oh, okay, so what's going on? Oh, watch out. Oh, barista. Alright. This is your case, Sakura. Master Sakurova rin. Ewan kaya Chiswell. Twisted na yun. Sakurova at Sakurova protecting me. I'm fine. That's my father's sword. But where this piece of holy fire from Parista cannot harm us. As long as we have this sword. That's how it's supposed to go anyway. I'll finish him. Now, you guys stay away. You're hurt. You won't be able to fight and do Master Sakura. Worried you're injured to all. You're not in great shape either. You've just fought Master Stupid. Don't be fools, we can get away. There's no way we'll be able to escape. We need to take this thing here on me. And now, we're going to beat him. Okay. Yeesh. Ow. Okay, Parista. She was a fire, so oh! Almost got killed on that. Oh, stupid me. And yeah, before we need to defeat this guy. Oh. did the whole flame thingy. Nice. Oh. Blazing ore. Nice. I want to compliment you, but you were overconfident. Unfortunately, I don't have the time to lecture you here. Let's sleep before more soldiers arrive. Is Lubert still alive? I don't know. I don't know. I see. Okay, let's get going. We'll be able to escape in all the confusion here at the docks. Vistern. You both did well. It's regrettable what happened to Master Lubert, but nobody's secretly in need with Iglesias anymore. We can relax a little. Use this time to get rested. I was so proud when you guys challenged and fought Master Lubert for his reputation. As Rex's friend, I want to thank you for standing up for his family. Don't mention it. By the way, what are we going to do with Marista? Don't concern yourself with that. The crop lords will take care of it. I see. That is all. And I'll be returning Master Synthesis Sword, Lady Amaris. Do you think that's the right thing to do? I'm sure it's wise if my mother keeps the sword. Sure, I don't foresee any problems. Not worry about it. Like I said, the crop lords are going to take care of this Ballista issue. Okay then, I guess I'll go and see a Kraken. See you later. Okay, who am I going to hang out with? Oh, so much going on. I'm tired. Even though we've resolved the Lubert situation, something doesn't feel right. I should go for a stroll. Pretty soon I won't have the time to take a walk. I feel like it. The semifinals are coming in. Ooh, Sanary. Oh, hi Patty. Oh, is something wrong? No, I'm okay. How was your match today? I won, of course. Congratulations, you are advanced to the semi-final round. Thanks. My sister and Romari, they both fell in love with you guys and became friends. That's so not cool. Those girls became totally uncool. I didn't like it, and I tried to figure out why. But now I know it all became clear in today's match. Yes, as long as I stay strong, I can be myself even if I need to depend on someone. Sanay, you're way too energetic. I'm not. Yeah, hey Pat. And do you have any plans tomorrow? Well, not really. Why? Would you like to go shopping with me tomorrow? Shopping all day long? Yes, but it's only for askers. Don't invite others like Parin. Alright, I won't. Where should we meet? In Vans. Right? I'll be going to Sanary for now. I can borrow a ship from Master. Are you ready to go? Wait a minute. Sorry, can you wait a minute? A second. Well, I suppose so. Let this mountain. episode, everybody. Thank you for watching, everybody. And Deus Vult, everybody. And Merry Christmas to all. And bye-bye.
Those heroes of antiquity ne'er saw a cannonball, or knew the force of powder to slay their foes withal. But our brave boys do know it, and banish all their fears. Sing a ta-ra-row and a row-row-row for the British grenadiers.